Alpha.
In this video, we would like to introduce the benefits of Dynamic Active Mode. Dynamic Active Mode offers expanded benefits in 3 different situations. Dynamic Active Mode can compensate for the larger camera shake that occurs when shooting while walking quickly. Compared to Active Mode, Dynamic Active Mode maintains stability even while the camera is being moved quickly. You get stable footage even when shooting casually without a gimbal. Another casual situation that often makes stabilisation difficult is shooting while walking alongside a subject. Dynamic Active Mode can deliver footage that doesn't look handheld. Dynamic Active Mode makes it possible to shoot stable B-roll with background bokeh using a fast prime lens. Where it was difficult to shoot handheld, it can bring stability and bokeh together. Dynamic Active Mode offers enhanced stabilisation for handheld shooting in a wide range of situations. Try it and experience the many benefits of this feature.